Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile for your kids on Netflix. So in here, if you want your kids to only watch kids friendly or kids made movies or shows, you're just going to create a profile specifically for your kids, and this is how you are going to do it. First, you can just open the Netflix applications on your phone. And then here you can see I already have 3 profiles, but none of this profile is for my kids. So to create one, you can just tap on this plus icon to add a new profile. Now you can just set up the profile's name. And in here, if you want to, you can also change the icon for your kids profile. Okay, let's say I want to change it into this one right here. And what you need to do to make it a kids profile is just to drill this on kids profile, so it will meet for kids 12 and under, but parents have all the controls. I don't know why the icon is changed. Let's try again. Okay, let's choose another one in here like this, and now you can just tap on save. So the new profile for your kids has been created. If you want to manage the profiles, you can just tap on this pencil icon at the top right corner. Tap on your kids profile. Here, as you guys can see, you can set the maturity rating. You can add a profile lock, change the display language and audio and subtitles languages on how you can also set how the subtitle appearance show on your kids profile. If you want to make it safe, I suggest you to turn off also the autoplay the next episode, so you can limit your kids screen time. Okay, if you want to change the maturity rating, you can click on this, click on account settings, and it will lead you to the browser because you cannot set it on the app. So you need to enter your password in here, tap on continue, and in here, let's say I want to just only set it for 7 plus. Just click on the changes and scroll down. If you want to add a title section, you can also do it in here and just tap on save. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.